Hello, welcome. Let's discuss exercise 6.3 class 8 question number 4. So question number 4 is find the square root of the following number by the prime factorization method. We have a given up to 10. There is a 10 questions in the fourth number and we have to factorize it by the prime factorization method and we have to find the square root. So let's do it. So before the prime factorization, we have to know what is prime number. As we know, a number which is divisible by itself or 1 is called prime number. So it's basically start from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. Okay, so these are the prime number and prime factorization, how we do, I told you. First I tell you the divisibility rule. So for the 2, if a number end with a 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, so this number, that number will be divisible by 2. If the sum of the given number is divisible by 3, so that number will be divisible by 3. If the number end with a 0 and 5, so that number will be divisible by 5. Okay, and for the 7, it's a difficult divisibility rule, so we will divide it basically even digit and odd digit. So leave it because it's a very complicated. So I tell you about the first question. So first question is 7 to 9. Write like this. For the prime factorization, first we will see this number is divisible by 2 or not. So as you can see, this number is end with a 9, so this is not divisible by 2. Next is this number, sum of this digit, means sum of 7 to 9 is 7 or 2, 9 and 9, 18. So it's a divisible by 3. 18 is divisible by 3, so it will be divided by 3. 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12 and 3 3 is 9. Okay, again you can see here 4 2 6 or 3 9, so 9 is divisible by 3, so this number will be divided by 3. So 3 1 is 3 8 is 24, 3 1 is 3. Now again the sum of this number, sum of digit of this number 9, so it is divisible by 3. Again it will be divisible by 3 in a 2 times or 7 times. Okay, again it will be divisible by 3 and 3 and 3 and 3. So at the end you can see there is a 1. So now what will be the square root? Square root is written like this. Okay, and write all these 3, means how many 3 is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So write 1 2 3 4 5 6. When this 3 come to the outside of this root, means when the root will be removed, so it will be 2 3 come 1 3. Okay, again the pair of 3 is there, but when we will remove root, so 1 3 will be come outside, and again the pair of 3 is there, so 1 3 will be there. Okay, now you can multiply 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So square root of 7 to 9 is 27. So in a similar way we will do with the 400. So as you can see, 400 is end with the 0, so first we will divide it with the 2, so we will get 200, again 200, again 250, again 225. Now The unit digit is 5, so it will be not divisible by 2. It will be divisible by 5. So 5 5s are 55. 5 1s are 5. Okay. Then the square root will be what? Right. All these 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Okay. There is a pair of a 2. So 1 2 will be come outside. There is a again 2 pair of 2. Write 1 2. Again pair of 5. Write 1 5. Now multiply 2 2 is a 4. 5 4 5 is 20. So 20 will be the square root of 400. Next you can do with the same with the 1764. Again it's end with the 4, so it will be divided by 2. So 8 8 and 2. Again it's ending with the 2, so again it will be divided by 2. Okay, now this number is end with the 1. Now we will check for the 3. So 4 4 8 or 1 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so it will be divisible by 3. Get 3 1 is 3, 3 4 is 12, and 3 7 is 21. Again the sum of 7 4 11 and 1 12. So this number will be also divided by 3. So 3 4 is 12 and 3 9 is. Again you can see the sum of this number is not divisible by 3, so we will check with the 5. And for the divisibility rule of 5, this number should be divisible end with the 0 or 5, but this is end with the 9. Next we will check for the 7. So 7 7 is 49, 7 1 is 7. Now the square root will be what? Root under. Write all these number 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So there is a pair of a 2, so 1 2 will be come outside. Pair of a 3, so 1 3 will be come outside. Pair of a 7, so 1 7 will be come out. 7 3s are 21. 21 into 2, that is 42. Okay, this is our square root. Now let's do same with the fourth number question. So 4096. So it will be divided by 2 because it's ending with a 6. So divide it. 2048. Again it will be divided by 2 because it's ending with a 8. 1024. Again it will be divided by 2. So 5 1 2. Again it will be divided by 2. Okay, because this number is ending with 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. So again end with the 6. So again it will be divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 8s are 16. Again divide by 2. 64. Again it will be divided by 2. So 32. Again it will be divided by 2. 16. 8 4 2 2 and 2 1. So square root of this number will be write all these 2 here. So how many 2 is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 12 2 is there. If these 12 to 1 we will remove square root, so we will get how many 2's? Only 6 2. Okay, because when we remove square root, so there is the pair of a number comes only one time. So now multiply. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 into 2, that is 64. Next, now for the question number 5 we will do the same. So divide it with the 2 because ending with the 4. So 3872, again divide with the 2, get 1936, again divided with the 2, 9, 6 and 8, again divided with the 2, 4, 8, 4, again divided with the 2, 2, 4, 2, again divided with the 2. So 1, 2, 1. Now you can see, now this number 1 to 1 will be not divided by 2, and the sum of this number is also not divided by 3. Okay, so next is we will check from 5. This number is also not dividing 5. Again we will check with the 7. 7 1 just 7, 5 1 51. So 51 is not divided by 7. Next we will check with 11. So this number will be divisible by 11. So 11 1 11, 11 11 is 121, 11 1 11. Now the square root will be what? So here you can see there is a pair of 2, so write 1 2. There is also pair of 2, so write 1 2. There is also pair of 2, write 1 2. There is also pair of 11, so write 1 11 is there. Now multiply. 11 2 ja 22, 22 ja 44, 44 2 ja 88. So this will be the square root of 7744. Next we will do same with the question number 6. Question is 9604. So as you can see, this number is ending with the 4, so we will divide it with the 2. Okay, so 2 4802, again with the 2, 2401. Now this number is ending with the 1, so this number will be not divided by 2. Now the sum of this number is 4, 2 is 6 or 1 7. So 3 is not divide 7. So next we will check with the 5. So this 5 is not dividing this number. Again we will check with the 7. Okay, with the 7. So 7 2 are 7 3 are 21, 3 0 30, 7 4 are 28 and 21, 7 3 are. So this number is divided by the 7. We get 343. Again we will check with the 7. So 7 4 ja 7 4 ja 28 and 7 9 ja 63. Again this number will be divided with the 7. 7 7 ja 49, 7 7 7 1 ja 7. So square root of this number is, there is a pair of 2, write 1 2 is here. There is pair of 7, write 1 7 is there. There is pair of 7, write 1 7 is there. So 7 7 ja 49 and 49 into 2 is 98. Hope you understand. So next we will do for the 7 number question, that is 5929. So here you can see the last digit is 9, so it will be not divided by 2. Next we will check for the from the 3. So the sum of this number is also not divided by 3. Next we will check with the 7. So this number is divisible by 7 or not. Let's divide and check. Seven 8 ja 56, 7 4 ja 28, carries 4, and 7 7 ja 49. So this number is divisible by 7. So write 8 4 7. Again we will do with the 7. 7 1 ja 7, carry 1, 7 2 ja 14, 7 1 ja 7. So as in this question we see 120 is divisible by 11, so write 11 1 ja 11. Okay, next the square root become, there is a pair of 7, write 1 7 is there. There is a pair of 11, write 1 11 is there. So 11 into 7 is 77. So square root of 5929 is 77. Next question number 8. So question number 8 is 9216. So this number is end with the 6, so we will divide it with the 2. Okay, in a similar way you can divide and check. So I factorize it and divide all this. In a similar way you can also divide. because I tell you the divisibility rule of 2 and 3. Now the square root will be what will be, there is a pair of 2, so write 1 2 is here. There is a pair of 2 again, write 1 2 is here. There is another pair of 2, write 1 2 is here. There is another pair of 2, write 1 2 is here. Another pair of 2, write 1 2 is there. And there is a 1, there will be 1 3 because the pair of 3 was there. Now multiply it. So 3 2 ja, here you can multiply 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, and 32 into 3, that will be 96. Okay, so square root of 9216 is 96. Next we will do same with the question number 9, and we have 29. So here you can see this number will be not divisible by 2 because in not ending with the 0 2 4 6 8. So sum of this number is 9 to 11 5 16. So 16 not divisible by 3. Next we will see this number is divisible by 7 or not. So 7, write 7 5 29 49 39. So this number is also not divisible by 39. So I tell you this number will be divisible by 23. 23 is also prime number. I show you 23 2 ja 46, and subtract it, you will get 69. So 23 3 ja 69. Okay, so it divided by 23 in 23 times, right? 23 into 1. So square root of 59 will be, there is a pair of only 23, so 123 will be come here. So this is the answer. Okay, next for the question number 10, find the square root of 8100. So this number will be divided with the 2. Okay, after dividing you see there is a 5 in a unit place, so it will be next divide with the 5. 5 4 ja 20 and 5 5 ja 25. Here I take 0 because 2 number I am taking, that's why. 5 8 ja 40, 5 1 ja 5. Again this number will be divided by 3. Before I should check with the 3, but it's okay, no problem, you can do. So here you can see the square root of 8100 is, there is a one pair of 2, write one pair of 2 means 2. There is one pair of 3, write 3. There is one pair of 3, so write 3. There is one pair of 5, write 5. Now multiply 3 2 is 6, 6 3 is 18, 18 into 5, that is 90. So this is the square root of 8100. So if you want to the square root in a minute, so how you will do, you know the square root of 81 is 9, and the square root of 100 is means 20 is 10. So this is the shortest form to find the square root. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Comment if you have any doubt. Thank you.